Now we are going to see the preparation of alcohols. In the preparation of alcohol, we already discussed two methods. Now we are going to see the next method, that is from carbonyl compounds. How we are going to prepare the alcohol from carbonyl compounds. What is carbonyl compound? Aldehyde and ketones. Aldehyde and ketones. That means compound containing C double bond O. A compound containing C double bond O group is called carbonyl compounds. Example for that one is aldehyde and ketone. So we are going to prepare alcohol from carbonyl compounds, that is from aldehyde and ketones. By which method? Reduction method. First method is reduction method. What is reduction? Reduction means addition of hydrogen. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. So first we are going to see the preparation of alcohol using carbonyl compounds. What are the carbonyl compounds? Aldehyde and ketones. By which method? Reduction method. First we must know what is reduction. Reduction is nothing but the addition of hydrogen. Reduction is nothing but the addition of hydrogen. So there are different types of reductions are there. First one, catalytic hydrogenation. Hydrogenation. Addition of hydrogen, no? So it is hydrogenation. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. Catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic means in the presence of catalyst. That is addition of hydrogen in the presence of catalyst. Addition of hydrogen in the presence of catalyst. Example for catalytic hydrogenation is addition of hydrogen in the presence of nickel. That is hydrogen with nickel. Addition of hydrogen in the presence of palladium. Pd is nothing but palladium. Addition of hydrogen in the presence of platinum, etc. These are the examples of catalytic hydrogenation. That is catalyst in the presence of, that is hydrogen. That is hydrogen. Hydrogen is going to involve in the reaction. The reaction takes place in the presence of catalyst. The reaction takes place in the presence of catalyst. That is catalytic hydrogenation. So we are going to prepare the alcohol by carbonyl compounds. Which method? Reduction method. First we must know what is reduction. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. There are different types of reduction. First one is catalytic hydrogenation. Catalytic hydrogenation, name itself mention. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. Catalytic in the presence of catalyst. In the presence of catalyst. Example for that one is hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen in the presence of nickel. Addition of hydrogen in the presence of palladium. Addition of hydrogen in the presence of platinum, etc. So this is catalytic hydrogenation. And the next one is using metal hydrides. Using metal hydrides. Using metal hydrides. That means metal hydrides. Lithium, aluminium or metal. Along with the hydrogen. That is hydride. Hydride. Any metal react with hydrogen means it is called as hydride. Similarly, we are calling this as a metallic hydride. What are the example for metallic hydrides? Lithium, aluminium hydride. Sodium borohydride. Lithium, aluminium hydride. Sodium borohydride. Lithium aluminium hydride is a special reducing agent. What is the speciality in lithium aluminium hydride? The speciality is it can reduce only the carbonyl group, not C double bond C. What is that? If any compound which contains both the carbon-carbon double bond and a carbonyl group like aldehyde and ketone means it has a lithium aluminium has a tendency to reduce only the carbonyl group, not the C double bond C. Normally, if we add hydrogen means directly the hydrogen can be remove one bond HH. We can easily add it, no? But if you use the lithium aluminium hydride, this type of reaction is not takes place. Instead, the carbonyl group undergoes reduction. This is the speciality of lithium aluminium hydride. Let's see the reaction, that is catalytic hydrogenation. Example for catalytic hydrogenation. Catalyst here is palladium. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. Catalytic hydrogenation. Catalyst palladium, hydrogenation, addition of hydrogen. How this reaction takes place? Hydrogen involved. We are taking carbonyl compound which is called as aldehyde. C double bond OH is called aldehyde. So this is CH3 is there. CH3, CHO is nothing but acetaldehyde. Is nothing but acetaldehyde. So how this hydrogen added here? Remove one bond HH. Remove one bond, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. Now it becomes CH3, C, H2, bond, OH. We remove one bond, no. If you remove any bond, you have to add any atom or group to the adjacent atom. So we are removing one bond. So you have to add any atom or group. What is the atom here? 2 hydrogen atom is there. So remove one bond, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen. We get CH3, CH2 bond OH. It is nothing but ethyl alcohol. It contains which group? CH2OH. This is a standard example for which alcohol? Primary alcohol. So this ethyl alcohol contains CH2OH. CH2OH means primary alcohol. CHOH means secondary alcohol. COH means tertiary alcohol. Now we have which one? CH2OH. So our alcohol is a primary alcohol. A standard example for primary alcohol is ethyl alcohol. So acetaldehyde on reduction gives ethyl alcohol, or any aldehyde which on reduction gives primary alcohol. Aldehyde on reduction gives primary alcohol. Next we are going to see the example, that is aldehyde we finished, no? Now we are going to see the ketone. Now it is ketone. That is CH3, C double bond O, CH3. CO group is there, no? So it is ketone. This is CHO. So aldehyde. CHO means aldehyde. CO means ketone. So now we are seeing COCH3. CH3, CO, CH3 is nothing but that is acetone. Acetone. So acetone on reduction with sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride. It is a metallic hydride. Normal reduction. Bond breaks here. Here one hydrogen. Here one hydrogen. So we get CH3, CH, CH3 bond OH. CH3, CH, CH3 bond OH. CHOH is there. So it is nothing but a secondary alcohol. And to one carbon, 2 methyl groups are attached. That means it is iso. How many carbon is there? 3 carbon. So isopropyl alcohol. How many carbon atom is there? 3 carbon is there. So it is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. So 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atom is there. So it is isopropyl alcohol. Why it is iso? 2 methyl group is attached to 1 carbon. So it is isopropyl alcohol. So aldehyde on reduction gives primary alcohol. Ketone on reduction gives secondary alcohol. Ketone on reduction gives secondary alcohol. And the next is when 2 or more functional groups are present in a molecule. When 2 or more functional groups. Example, aldehyde and ketone, acid and alcohol. So in that manner, if 2 or more functional groups are present in a molecule, what happens? Less vigorous sodium borohydride is used to reduce the more less vigorous, and it reduces the more reactive group. Sodium borohydride is less vigorous and it reduces only the more reactive group. So now CH3, CO, CH2, CH2, COOH. CH2, CH2, COOH. So now CH3, CO, CH2, CH2, COOH. Sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride. What happens? Ketone. We already discussed. Ketone on reduction gives CHOH. So double bond O is there. On reduction, HH added here, CHOH. This is a secondary alcohol. How many carbon atom is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Carboxylic acid is our priority. So gives number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which position the carbonyl group is there? Carbonyl group is a substituent, means mention this as oxo. Carbonyl group is a substituent, means mention this as oxo. So 4th carbon we have ketone. So 4 oxo. Totally how many carbon? 5. So pent. Acid means oic acid. 4 oxo pentanoic acid. 4 oxo pentanoic acid. Borohydride. Ketone on reduction gives secondary alcohol. And the same 4th carbon carries which sign? That is OH group. Which group? OH group. 4 hydroxy pentanoic acid. 4 hydroxy pentanoic acid. And the next is, similarly, we have a double bond as well as aldehyde group. Here double bond and we have a aldehyde group. If we have a double bond and carbonyl group means a special reducing agent called lithium aluminum hydride. So CH3CH, double bond CH, single bond CHO, lithium aluminum hydride, which has a tendency to, that is lithium aluminum hydride has a tendency to reduce only the carbonyl group. Aldehyde on reduction gives primary alcohol CH2OH. So we get CH3CH, double bond CH, single bond CH2OH. Now it's okay. This is our functional group. So priority aldehyde 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally how many carbon? 4 carbon. So but. Which carbon double bond is present? Second carbon double bond present. 2. In. Why to in? Second carbon we have a double bond. Al. Why Al? Aldehyde group. So but 2-enal or 2-butynyl. Common name is crotonaldehyde. Common name is crotonaldehyde. On reduction, it gives a primary alcohol. 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally 4 carbon. So but. Second carbon we have a double bond. So 2-ene. First carbon OH. So 1-all. 2-butene 1-all. Also correct. But 2-ene 1-all is also right. What is a common name? Crotyl alcohol. Crotyl alcohol. Crotyl alcohol. Now it is by the reduction of carboxylic acid. We already discussed the reduction of carbonyl, that is aldehyde on reduction gives primary alcohol, ketone on reduction gives secondary alcohol. Now we are going to see the reduction of carboxylic acid. Reduction of carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid means bond COOH group. Compounds containing bond COOH group. This is carboxylic acid. Compound containing bond COOH group is called carboxylic acid. So now carboxylic, how this reaction takes place? Carboxylic acid react with strong reducing agent, gives a primary alcohol. Acid on reduction gives primary alcohol. Acid on reduction gives primary alcohol. Now what is that reducing agent? Lithium aluminum hydride. CH3COOH. It is nothing but acetic acid. We already studied. CH3C double bond OOH is nothing but acetic acid. How the reduction takes place? Using lithium aluminum hydride, bond breaks between this HH. Acid on reduction gives aldehyde, which on further reduction gives ketone. That is, first bond breaks here, here one hydrogen, here one hydrogen, and another bond breaks here, here one hydrogen, and here one hydrogen. So now CH3CH2OH. CH3CH2OH. So acid on reduction gives primary alcohol. Acid on reduction gives primary alcohol. Next one is reduction by ether. That is esters. Ester. What is ester? Ester means any alcohol react with acid means it is called esterification. Now reverse process is taken place. That is, we are taking the ester and then converted to alcohol. So acid with alcohol gives ester. First is esterification. This on reduction gives alcohol. Catalytic hydrogenation. That is, in the presence of platinum as a catalyst, hydrogen is added. In the presence of platinum as a catalyst, hydrogen is added. So acid react with alcohol gives ester. Ester on reduction with platinum in the presence of hydrogen. Hydrogen and platinum. Catalytic hydrogenation gives alcohol. So this is the reduction of ester. Let's see one example. Acetic acid react with methyl alcohol. H, acid has a tendency to give H plus, no, H, OH goes out. CH3COO, CH3 is subtime. We know this is acetic acid and this is methyl alcohol. CH3 means methyl. Methyl alcohol. Esterification takes place in the presence of acid. Water goes out. So CH3COO, CH3 is subtime. CH3COO, CH3. How to write the ester name? Find the alkyl group which is attached to oxygen. Find the alkyl group which is attached to oxygen. Which alkyl group is attached to oxygen? Methyl. It is derived from which acid? Acetic acid. So this is nothing but methyl acetate. Methyl acetate. How to write the ester name? Find which alkyl group is attached to oxygen. Methyl group is attached to oxygen. So CH3 attached to acetate. If any acid has a tendency to remove that hydrogen, means that is called as ate. In acetic acid, if you remove one hydrogen, means it is called acetate. What is there instead of hydrogen? Methyl. So it is called methyl acetate. Then reduction takes place. Reduction is catalytic reduction. Platinum or palladium. Platinum or palladium. With the hydrogen. How the bond breaks between carbonyl group and oxygen. Bond breaks here. Here one hydrogen. Here one hydrogen. First we get aldehyde. Which one for the reduction gives primary? Alcohol. Aldehyde on reduction gives primary alcohol. And this is methyl alcohol. So now this is the reduction using ester. Reduction of ester means first you have to prepare the ester. Then reduction gives alcohol. Then non-reduction gives alcohol. And the next is from Grignard reagent. Next is from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent. What is the Grignard reagent? RMGX. What is Grignard reagent? RMGX. From Grignard reagent. RMG. That is organometallic compound. It is commonly called as organometallic compound. How this reaction takes place? From Grignard reagent, we are going to prepare the alcohol. First step, nucleophilic attack to carbonyl carbon. Carbonyl carbon is electron deficient, no? So nucleophile, nucleo plus, philic, attract. So it has tendency to attract the plus, means it must carry which sign? Minus sign. It has a tendency to attract plus, means it must carry which sign? Minus sign. So this minus means nucleophile, which brings the nucleophilic attack to carbonyl carbon. That is first step. Next is followed by hydrolysis. Two steps involved in the Grignard reagent. Alcohol from Grignard reagent. First step one is nucleophilic attack to carbonyl carbon. That means one nucleophile come and attack the carbonyl carbon. And the next step is followed by hydrolysis. With Grignard reagent, important 1 mark. So, Grignard reagent, formaldehyde gives primary alcohol. Any Grignard reagent, methyl, ethyl, anything. If you take the primary alcohol, means it must give the, if you want primary alcohol, means we must take the formaldehyde. If you want primary alcohol, means formaldehyde. If you take formaldehyde, means it gives us primary alcohol. Acetaldehyde gives the secondary alcohol. Acetone gives the tertiary alcohol. Grignard reagent with formaldehyde gives primary alcohol. With acetaldehyde gives secondary alcohol. Acetone gives tertiary alcohol. Acetone, that is commonly it is ketone. Acetone gives tertiary alcohol. Acetone, that is ketone commonly. So Grignard addition. So we are going to prepare the alcohol using Grignard reagent. Alcohol using Grignard reagent. Preparation of primary alcohol. Primary alcohol means compound containing bond CH2OH. Bond CH2OH. That is preparation of primary alcohol. Compound containing bond CH2OH. Primary alcohol means bond CH2OH. How the reaction takes place? If you want to prepare the primary alcohol, means you must take the formaldehyde, no? So HC double bond OH formaldehyde. HCHO can be written like this. HC double bond OH. HC double bond OH plus Grignard reagent. CH3 MgBr or MgX. R is alkyl group, MgX is a halide. X is a halide. How? First step is a nucleophilic attack. No, this Grignard reagent is always cleaved as alkyl group as minus, MgBr as plus. So always the Grignard reagent is cleaved as alkyl group as minus and MgBr as plus. This minus brings the nucleophilic attack to carbonyl carbon. This is a carbonyl carbon. This is a carbonyl group and this is a carbonyl carbon. So this minus brings the nucleophilic attack to carbonyl carbon. This carbon is already satisfied with 4 valency. No, carbon have 4 valency. Already satisfied. If it wants to form a new bond means it has to lose one bond. So this bond shifts to oxygen. Now the oxygen carries which sign? Minus sign. Now what is happening here? Grignard reagent is cleaved as CH3 minus MgBr plus. This minus brings the nucleophilic attack to carbonyl carbon. That carbon is already satisfied with 4 valency. So it has to donate one bond to next atom. So now this becomes minus. O becomes O minus. Here we have a plus group, no, MgBr. Now it becomes OMgBr. See how the reaction takes place here? This minus brings a nucleophilic attack to carbonyl carbon. That means CH3 come and attack here. And O becomes minus to that MgBr. OMgBr. This is the nucleophilic attack. First step. Second step is acid hydrolysis. Hydrolysis, no? H plus represents the hydrolysis takes place in acid medium. Acid hydrolysis. Hydrolysis means addition of water. How the water get added to this addition compound? The bond breaks between O and Mg. The bond breaks between O and Mg. So bond breaks. Here H and here OH. CH3, CH2, OH. CH3, CH2, OH. So this bond breaks here. This becomes OH. So this becomes OH. This is nothing but CH3, CH2, CH2OH is represent. This is a primary alcohol, and standard example for primary alcohol is ethyl alcohol. So now we prepare primary alcohol using Grignard reagent. Using Grignard reagent. If you want to prepare the primary alcohol means you must take the formaldehyde. Formaldehyde with Grignard reagent gives primary alcohol. First step is nucleophilic attack. That means Grignard reagent is always cleaved as alkyl group as minus, MgBr as plus. This minus brings the nucleophilic attack to carbonyl carbon. This carbon is already satisfied with 4 valency. So it has to shift one bond to oxygen. This carries minus sign. This MgBr carries plus sign. So it forms addition compound. Followed by hydrolysis. Bond breaks between O and Mg. O and Mg. Bond breaks here. Here H and OH. This is negative, no? So H plus. And this is plus, no? So OH minus. So CH3, CH2, OH. It is nothing but the ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. And now another alcohol. It is also a primary alcohol. If you want to prepare the aromatic alcohol, that is primary alcohol. Formaldehyde. If you want to prepare primary alcohol means you must take the formaldehyde with the phenyl group here. So this is phenyl magnesium bromide. Phenyl magnesium bromide. This is, we know, formaldehyde. How the reaction takes place? First the Grignard reagent breaks as this one as minus, MgBr plus. This minus the nucleophilic attack to carbonyl carbon. This carbon is already satisfied with 4 valency. So it shifts one bond to oxygen, which carries which sign? Minus sign. So now this becomes minus, MgBr plus, so addition compound. For what is the reaction takes place here? Phenyl group brings the nucleophilic attack to carbonyl carbon. If it is satisfied with 4 valency. If it is bonded to phenyl group means it has to lose one bond to oxygen. This oxygen becomes minus and form a bond with MgBr. So this phenyl group attached here, OMgBr. This is a nucleophilic attack. And the next is hydrolysis. The bond breaks between O and Mg. HOH. C6H5, CH2OH. It is nothing but benzyl alcohol. Benzyl alcohol and Mg, OH and Br. Mg, OH and Br. So this is a primary alcohol. So if you want to prepare aromatic or aliphatic, primary alcohol means you must take the formaldehyde. You must take the formaldehyde. If you want to prepare secondary alcohol, now we are going to prepare the secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol means compound containing CHOH. CHOH. Preparation of secondary alcohol. CHOH. So this is acetaldehyde. CH3, CO double bond OH or CH3CHO. Acetaldehyde. If you want to prepare secondary alcohol means you must take the acetaldehyde. So acetaldehyde with Grignard reagent CH3MgBr. This is a minus and this is a plus. So this brings a nucleophilic attack to carbon. This is already satisfied with 4 valency. If a new bond is formed here means it has to lose one bond, no? So it becomes O minus. Here what happens? MgBr come and add. So CH3 comes and bond here. So it becomes CH3 here. O attached to which one? MgBr. So OMgBr. This is a nucleophilic attack. Followed by hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis. Bond breaks between O and Mg. So now the bond breaks here. O minus, so H plus. Mg plus, adhanala OH minus. So CH3, CH, OH, here CH3. 2 methyl group is attached to 1 carbon. So it is isopropyl. 2 methyl group attached to 1 carbon. So isopropyl. What is the functional group here? Alcohol. So iso 3 carbon, propyl. So alcohol. 2 methyl group attached to 1 carbon means iso. Totally 3 carbon, so propyl. What is our functional group? Alcohol. So it is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol. If you want to prepare the tertiary alcohol, now we are going to prepare the tertiary alcohol. Primary alcohol means you must take formaldehyde. Secondary alcohol means acetaldehyde. Tertiary alcohol means ketone, that is acetone. What is tertiary alcohol? COH is called tertiary alcohol. COH is called tertiary alcohol. COH is called tertiary alcohol. And now, what is the acetone? We have to take the acetone. Acetone with the Grignard reagent CH3MgBr. We know this is cleaved as minus and this is a plus. This minus brings a nucleophilic attack to carbon. This carbon is already satisfied with 4 valency. So, if this forms a new bond means it has to lose one bond, no? So, it becomes minus MgBr. So, CH3, COMgBr, CH3, CH3. This is a new bond formed from Grignard reagent. CH3, 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 OMgBr followed by hydrolysis. H plus acid hydrolysis. What the bond breaks? Between O and Mg. Bond breaks HOH. So, 3 COH is obtained. COH is nothing but tertiary alcohol. So, we get tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol COH. Tertiary. COH means tertiary. Totally how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. No? So, butyl. Which is a functional group here? Alcohol. So, it is tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. Now, we are going to see the preparation of phenols. Preparation of phenols. Now, what is phenols? Phenols are called as carbolic acid. Phenol can also be called as a carbolic acid. Carbolic acid. And it was first isolated in 19th century. Phenols are called as carbolic acid. First isolated in 19th century from coal tar. Now we are going to prepare the phenol from haloarine. Halo. Name itself mentioned one halogen is there. Arene. Benzene ring. So haloarine. Halogen substituted in benzene ring. Haloarine means halogen substituted in benzene ring. That means chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. That is benzene ring. One hydrogen is replaced and substituted by Cl. This is haloarine. Halogen is substituted in the benzene ring. Cl is substituted in the benzene ring. How it is prepared? Chlorobenzene fused with NaOH with sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. This is a name reaction called Dawes process. This is called as a Dawes process. Important name reaction. Dawes process. Chlorobenzene fused with NaOH 623 Kelvin and 320 atmosphere. Chlorobenzene with NaOH. What happens? First, HCl goes out. phenoxide, ONA, sodium phenoxide is formed. Then the same HCl involved in this. What happens? NaCl goes out with the removal of NaCl. With the removal of NaCl, we get phenol, OH. Any OH is directly attached to the benzene ring means it is called phenol. So it is Dow's process. Chlorobenzene converted to phenol. Chlorobenzene, that is haloarine, converted to phenol. Haloarine converted to phenol. First preparation from haloarine, that is called as a Dow's process. Important name reaction. Important name reaction. Next is from benzene sulfonic acid. Next is from benzene sulfonic acid. Sulfonic acid means SO3H. Sulfonic acid. This is sulfonic acid means bond SO3H. This is sulfonic acid. Now benzene sulfonic acid. First we have to prepare this. So take benzene. Oleum. Oleum is nothing but H2S2O7. How it is formed? Sulfuric acid plus SO3. Sulfuric acid plus SO3. That is oleum. This process is called sulfonation. This process is called sulfonation. Since sulfonic acid is going to add here, no? So sulfonation. Halogen is added means halogenation. This sulfonic acid is going to add to the benzene. So it is called sulfonation. So benzene ring with this oleum undergoes a process called sulfonation. What happens? SO3H added here. SO3H added here. And the next it is stated with molten NaOH. Molten NaOH. In the presence of acidification. In the presence of acidification. What happens? OH is obtained. First it is converted to salt. Sodium. And then OH. So this is benzene. This is benzene sulfonic acid. On molten NaOH and H plus, it forms a phenol. It forms a phenol. First one from benzene sulfonic acid. This is important. From diazonium chloride. We are going to prepare the phenol from diazonium chloride. Aromatic primary amine. What is primary amine? Bond NH2 group is called primary amine. Aromatic means benzene ring. So aromatic primary amine with the nitrous acid forms diazonium chloride. So this is NH2 group is directly attached to the benzene ring, means it is called as aniline. This is aromatic primary amine. Diazotization reagent is NaNO2 HCl. NaNO2 HCl. Na and NO2, that is NaCl goes out, HNO2 involved in the reaction. HNO2 involved in the reaction. So how this reaction takes place? O double bond N, that is HNO2 OH plus HCl, this HCl. So H2O goes out. Here H2O goes out. What happens? N double bond NCl. So diazonium. This is minus and this is plus. Plus means EM, no? So diazo, or in organic chemistry, nitrogen is called as azono. So it is benzene diazo EM, plus means EM chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Its name is benzene diazonium chloride. Followed by hydrolysis. This N2 goes out. HOH. HCl goes out. And we get OH. That is N2 plus HCl. N2 plus HCl. This is the preparation of phenol from diazonium salt. Phenol from diazonium. How this reaction takes place? Take one primary amine. Aromatic primary amine. NaNO2 and HCl mixture gives HNO2. It can be written as HNO2 can be written as O double bond NOH. H2O goes out. HCl. Water goes out. N double bond NCl. N double bond NCl. And hydrolysis. HOH, water, can be written like this. HCl goes out. This N2 goes out. We get phenol. This is phenol. And the next is cumene. Cumene is nothing but isopropyl benzene. Cumene is nothing but isopropyl benzene. That is cumene. Isopropyl benzene. That is isopropyl group is attached to the benzene ring. Isopropyl group is attached to the benzene ring. Isopropyl, one carbon contains two methyl group. Isopropyl group attached to the benzene ring is called cumene. Isopropyl benzene. First step, oxidation. Oxygen added between carbon and hydrogen. Added between carbon and hydrogen. This is called peroxide. OO linkage is called peroxide. So it is cumene hydroperoxide. Cumene hydroperoxide. Followed by hydrolysis. Followed by hydrolysis. This acetone goes out. This acetone goes out and OH come and attack here. So we get phenol. And this is nothing but acetone. And this is nothing but acetone. So cumene. Oxidation. Addition of oxygen is nothing but oxidation. Cumene hydroperoxide. Between C and hydrogen, oxygen added. O bond O. O bond O is nothing but peroxide. So cumene hydroperoxide. Hydrolysis. This acetone goes out. We get OH added to the benzene ring. That is phenol. And here acetone is a byproduct, no? Anyway, even though it is a byproduct, it is obtained in large quantity. It is obtained in large quantity. Even though it is a byproduct, it is obtained in large quantities. These are the preparations of alcohol. That is aliphatic alcohol and aromatic alcohol. That is phenol.